guys, it's Bryony here and I'm joined with Izzy. What surprise? We say this every time, but literally it's because we do everything together. Anyway, I've been invited to a Rubik's Cube event happening at Covent Garden, and it just happens to be 6 of them, which honestly is bad. Like, I saw it, I was like, oh, okay, Rubik's Cube. Like, I really love Rubik's Cubes, but I didn't think much of it. And like, Izzy's like, obviously, like, she's a maths whiz. This is like her forte. But I like saw 6 of them. I was like, well, 100% we're definitely going. So literally just finished work. Both me and her have rushed up to go to this event today. So I'm gonna take you around. It looks really cool. There's like loads of camera crews walking around. So yeah, exciting stuff. So yeah, see you soon. Real. That excites me. Yeah, 100%. We're honestly kids. Okay.
Rubik's cake. Stephen Carter from the Great British Baker.
I love bagel.
He was the winner of a Christmas.
Right. Okay.
We got Rubik's Cube solving robot there, so you can scramble cube and they'll solve it for you. Cool. And then you got, if you want to take part in the Guinness World Records.
Yeah, so maybe like purple one. We're getting glitter done on our faces. I'm very excited. We're actual kids.
All day, I'm just tired. I like it
Thank you so much. Skill. Look at the concentration of Izzy's face right now. You did it! Yay! You did it! Oh my god!
and get a medal for jumping over the
Izzy did it! You are mad.
Can you go and see the queen?
I don't think we mentioned properly, but 6 are here. So
In their outfits.
in the outfits, which we weren't sure if they were going to come in their costume.
Yeah, we thought they might come.
We are very excited. We love stuff like this. No, because I'm just scared. Wait, should we get to the
They're
front?
like filming, yeah. I don't know how to get that.
I don't think I'm going to put me, you know.
So excited. Send me this picture. Yeah, just post it everywhere.
Could you go? Might be better to
I don't want to be in it though.
No, that's true.
Take the plates out.
look at me. Are you ready? Ready and start cutting.
I'm
Thank you very much.
Okay, so we're at the Rubik's Cube event, and so it's a costume, which is really cool. Yeah, my camera is just not focusing today.
I know, I feel like there's a lot of other people here that are more pushy than us.
Yeah, we're just
We're not used to this press event kind of thing.
We're not at all. We're not press people. Hello.
So we meet again. We're here live at the Rubik's Cube event with Miss Bryony herself. Yes, I know your name, bitch. I see you everywhere. I might have a bath and she'd be there like, can I scrub your back?
Oh, it's so true though.
Just cut the Rubik's Cube cake.
Is it nice?
It's alright. Only checking it. It's lovely.
Yeah.
Oh, I left my Rubik's Cube over here.
Look at the food.
I might as well just do it live, innit?
Do it.
Right, so we're currently doing solving Rubik's Cubes with the 6 cast. You know, that's what we do on our Tuesday evenings.
I know. I left uni early for this.
Did you?
I left like 10 minutes early.
But Izzy's just a pro at Rubik's Cubes, and I'm not. So I'm just kind of going. I feel like I'm just vlogging on behalf of Izzy's skills at Rubik's
I'm
Cubes.
really upset because I used to know how to do it all, and now I don't.
You're pretty good. This is how she's on. She's really good. But
Wait, should I done one level?
yay! So is that like the first step to get on one side?
I can do the second step.
It's all very technical. How do you do it? Do you know, like, is it the colours or is it science?
Yeah, so it's like, you just have to know the steps sort of thing. So like here, I'm trying to do the second level. And like, where is it? So because they're all like in their place, but they're in the wrong place, you have to get them out and then get them back in. I already know how to explain it. I'm very good at explaining it.
I'm just curious because I've never done Rubik's Cube. It's like, it's something that I've always tried to do and I just find it so technical. But I don't know, I feel like this event's inspired me to actually maybe do it up again.
Now, can I ask you to sign a cube?
Yeah, of course.
Thank you.
I did it in 10 minutes.
Well done.
Georgie's over there.
Georgie boy is grand, isn't he?
Best in the UK.
He is the best in the UK.
But if she's able to solve it, she gets a medal.
I'm just not about to solve it.
Oh my god!
I did it.
That's actually mad. She literally just solved it, sorry.
Did you do it?
Yeah, look, she said it. Well, not me, I feel like taking credit. But, JJ, hello.
Hi.
I don't think, you haven't been in my vlogging costume anyway. So.
You are?
You haven't been on my vlogging costume before.
No, I haven't.
Look at
What is this? Is this up?
Yeah, we're...
I got different shoes on today, guys.
Oh!
I got the mid-heel on, the mid-heel. So you can sign it for the world record. Look what I'm next to.
Collect from Oh my god. Oh, it's hella cute.
I'm an official world record attempt holder.
Why did you not get one? Yeah, we're gonna go outside and follow 6.
We're following them around. Bye.
Right, we're gonna follow you guys. Let's go follow them outside. Right, we're following 6 with umbrellas because... Oh, we should have brought an umbrella. See, why did we not bring an umbrella out with us? Oh, this is cute. Oh, look.
Did you not realise that?
No.
I'm the world record holder. She is the champion.
Oh, thunder. Gosh.
Here we go. 3, 2, 1.
And again, one more to me. 3, 2, 1. And one more. And again, here we go. Are we done? Fantastic. Thank you. Thank you.
Oh my god! It was a lot easier. I know you're helping me out.
What do I get from you? We get a medal. You do deserve it. It doesn't matter. I know thank you for helping when you got here. It was so easy.
I feel so happy. So I'm currently vlogging on my phone because I can't be able to get my camera out. But we just ended our lovely day at Rubiks. It was like an evening event. It was really nice. Obviously 6 were there. Most of my footage is kind of either us solving Rubik's cubes, and we got these. Yeah, they're very shiny. And seeing the queens, which was really cool. Like I saw like every event now, we just randomly either bump into them or they happen to be there. So it was really cool. If you like this video, please like, subscribe, follow me on Izzy on Instagram, which I link here. And I'll catch you for another fun video soon.